Welcome to your ultimate guide to mastering IPTV players. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how to set up and use IPTV players for the best streaming experience. First, let's start with selecting the right IPTV player. A great choice is the Smart IPTV player, available on both Android and iOS. This player supports varied playlist formats like M3U and M3U8, making it versatile. Once you've downloaded the app, launch it and head to the Settings option. Here you'll need to add your IPTV subscription details, which typically includes an M3U URL or a playlist file. Next, you'll want to avoid common mistakes. Many users overlook the importance of updating the playlist. Make sure to check for updates regularly, as IPTV channels can frequently change. If you experience buffering, ensure your internet connection is stable. A minimum speed of 10 megabits per second is recommended for smooth streaming. After setting up your IPTV player, let's explore the features. Navigate to the channel list where you can see all available channels. You can favorite channels and even create a custom playlist for easy access. If your player includes a TV guide, utilize this feature to know what's on and plan your viewing. Another tip: if you're using a service like IPTVnator available on GitHub, you can import M3U playlists directly. This app offers additional features like catch-up TV and a favorites list, enhancing your experience. Lastly, remember to secure your streaming by using a VPN. This adds a layer of privacy, ensuring your data remains safe while you enjoy your favorite IPTV channels. To recap, select a reliable IPTV player, keep your playlists updated, check your internet speed, utilize player features, and secure your connection. Now you're ready to enjoy seamless streaming. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more tutorials on IPTV and streaming.